Hey guys, what's up? What's up? What's up? What's up with you guys? Wagwan. In today's dish, I am going to do some cassava dumpling. Yes, guys, cassava dumpling. So with that, we are going to have cabbage with saltfish, cook with saltfish. You know, cabbage cooked down in saltfish. So I'm using a whole of cabbage, as you can all see here. Fresh cabbage. I'm going to cut this up and put it in my salt water, get it salt out. 2 tomato, 2 carrot, bell pepper. I'm not going to use all of that bell pepper. I'm going to use half of that bell pepper. And I have half of the green one over there. So I'm going to use half of the red and green one there. And you know, we can't leave out with bad boy here. Bad boy, scotch bonnet pepper. Using a yellow one. Onion, white onion, and I'm using 3 cloves of garlic. Jamaican green banana. And our good old nice yellow yam, Jamaican yellow yam. So yes, guys, cassava dumpling I do it today on the menu, right? So I cut this cassava in two, and you don't peel cassava. You do not peel cassava. I'm going to show you how you do cassava, all right? So stay tuned. Stay with me. And that's my pan over there, waiting on my cassava to sort out, grater. I'm sure with flour in it and knead up with flour and do a thing. So yeah, guys, saltfish boil off already and over there. So I wait for all of these things. So stay with me. So guys, as I was telling you, you don't peel cassava. You mark it. Go all the way around. You mark it, go around and around all the way down to the bottom. Then you're going to use the knife and lift the skin up. So when you lift the skin up now, you just peel the skin off. You just look at that. Let me give you a close-up. Look what is happening here. You see that? Look at that. Whoa. So this, you don't do this like like when you're peeling a yam or a dasheen or a cocoa. So there we have our cassava nicely stripped off. So I'm gonna go ahead now and grate this. So stay with me. So guys, I'm in the process of grating my cassava. So after I finish grating my cassava, I'm going to put some flour on it, knead it up and make my dumpling. Yes guys, so this is our cassava dumpling journey. Doing my cassava dumpling from scratch. So I'm going to knead my flour now with my cassava. My cassava has finished peel. So this is it, guys. I'm gonna knead this up now and straight in the pot. So guys, when kneading your cassava flour, you don't put a lot of water one time. You put a little bit of water each time. I can't tell you how much water to put, Use your judgment and you use a little water each time, because remember, the cassava is wet. So you cannot throw water like just knead it like how you would knead regular flour. The only difference is, you're adding the cassava to the flour. The cassava is wet, so the cassava is moist. So you have to go easy on the water. But no worries if it's spoiled. You just add some more flour to it, because you need your dough to be hard. So if you put too much water and it spoils, you just add some more flour, some more dry flour to it, to your mixture, and you proceed to mix it. All right, guys. cabbage over here, so sort out, cut up, and I wash in a salt water. Food pot over there, so I go on with a whole heap of things. Food pot I go on with a whole heap of things over here. So guys, our cassava dumpling is kicking up a storm over here. This is our saltfish. So I am ready to put my cabbage in the pot. My cabbage is over there draining. My earth seasoning, chop up, ready to go in the pot. Saltfish will pick up on all of these things. So we're going straight over to the pot now, guys. So I preheat my frying pan and I'm using a tablespoon of butter. Just gonna toss it around until it melts. As soon as this is fully melted, I start adding my ingredients to my pot. And my stove is on medium heat. I'm gonna start off with my garlic, 3 cloves of garlic, finely chopped up. Just want to release that flavor. Toss that around a little. Then you're going to add your scotch bonnet pepper, bad boy. I'm using half of it. I'm using the seed, guys. Don't use the seed if you're a person that don't like spicy food. So I'm using half of my scotch bonnet pepper. 1 white onion, chopped. Toss that around to release that flavor. Two medium-sized tomato. Then I'm going to add my sweet pepper, my assorted sweet pepper, to my pot. Pass that around. I'm gonna cover this for a minute. I don't want it to be mushy, I want it to be crunchy. So I'm not gonna give it, I'm gonna give it a minute or less than a minute. A minute has passed, guys. Whoa, that scent is so nice and lovely. So I'm gonna add 1/4 teaspoon of allspice seasoning. Toss this around. Then I'm gonna add my saltfish. Keep your stove on medium heat, guys. Toss that around and I'm gonna cover this for a minute or 2 just to release that flavor in the saltfish. My pot is looking so colorful. Look at that, guys, very colorful. So we are not going to use any salt because we already have the saltfish. The saltfish is what going to flavor the pot. So I'm just using a 1/4 teaspoon of allspice seasoning. And I'm going to cover this for a minute or 2 just to release that flavor in the saltfish. So after 2 minutes, guys, bam, We are back, checking in on our saltfish. So I'm gonna add my carrot. I have 2 carrots here, cut chunky. I'm adding that also to the pot. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add my cabbage. So I have to drain my cabbage, you know, I don't want it put a lot of water in my pot. So after my cabbage has drained, I'm adding it to my pot. If you notice, I cut my cabbage. I don't cut it up fine, guys. No fine thing. Cut it up chunky as well, or semi-chunky. So we're gonna gently stir that up just to mix it up with all of this nice flavor that is coming out of the pot. So we're gonna take our time and stir that up. And when you are doing these dish, guys, make sure the pot is deep enough so that you have enough room to stir up your cabbage. So guys, we're checking in with our cabbage, and that is finished right there. So I'm gonna lock the stove off now. I don't want it to be mushy, I want it to be crunchy. So guys, this is our cabbage and saltfish. Guys, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, click the notification bell, because you don't want to miss nothing that is going on in a Palizico kitchen. All right.